Oh my gosh, today is gonna be so fun. This box right here ended up on my door last night. Inside of here is 1,500 wax crayons. I got a call from the people at Jack Astor's. Jack Astor's is a restaurant here in Canada. When I was a kid, my way of getting around swearing at my brothers was I'd be,
why you be such a jackassers?
So fun fact, it kind of came full circle for me, and that's a true story. So you can't, what, you can get mad at me? I'm saying a restaurant, you can't get mad at me. Jack Astor's called me, he said, Dan, we want to do something with you and crayons. And I was like, okay, I'm listening. Crazy shout out to Jack Astor's for actually going on board with this because they didn't have to. I said, send me 100 crayons, I'll melt them together and just make a really big crayon. They said, okay, we like it. But instead of 100, we're gonna send you 1,500, 1,500, 15 times better. Step one, we need to separate the colors of crayons because we're gonna melt them individually and then mix them so it's kind of like a marble crayon. I'm guessing 250, 500, 750, 1,000, 1,250, 1,500. Now we're gonna unbox them. They're all mixed. There's red, green, and blue in here. And they're all wrapped. You can see that they've got wrapping on it. Start separating. Oh, never mind. Oh, shoot. I only thought there was 3 colors. First box done, we have 5 more to go. Next box. Step 2, the water bath. If you want to get the paper off the crayon faster, put some lukewarm water and put some soap. I actually ran out of dish soap, so we're gonna use some hand soap. These crayons have now been sitting in this water for about 10 minutes. Literally, because now it's all wet, we can just rub our finger on it and it comes right off. So now we just gotta do that with, this is gonna take me all day. It's been just under 2 hours and I just finished unwrapping the red crayon. This isn't gonna work. If it's taking almost 2 hours, I've got 5 more colors. It's gonna take me close to 10 hours to get them all unwrapped. But like my fingertips are sore. They're all like pruny because they've been in the water. Like the life hack works, but I don't think it's intended for doing 1,500 crayons with one person's work. There was no way I was actually going to be able to peel all the wrappers off all 6 colors. This right now is gonna be sort of a test. We're gonna melt the red. This should be fine, but the green has a lot of paper on it still. So I wanna use this thing to then scoop out the paper and hopefully the wax will be left behind. Okay, maybe the paper was a bad idea because it's smoking a lot. Actually, kind of worked. Look, this is all the wrapping and it's completely empty. This actually might work. It looks like I'm making like green beans. It worked, man. We just gotta throw this out. So this right here is my plan for the mold. There was a bottle of champagne in here that I got once as a gift. I'm gonna pour the wax into here. I also bought this. This is mold release. Now I use this on silicones and stuff. I don't know if it's gonna work with wax. It's invisible. It's just so it doesn't adhere to the wood. We're gonna mix green and red in right now. A little bit of red. Some green. Pour is done. It looks like it marbled, which is great. The only issue is this is almost full. 4 more colors to go, so. But it's cool. It looks like it's actually marbled, which is awesome. Time for purple and blue. This is gonna be so cool. At this point, I've got no idea what color it's gonna be because it's looking like yellow for some reason. And there's actually been a change of plans. Since we're near the top, I'm actually not gonna add in the brown or black. So really, this video is about melting 1,000 crayons. Because if we add the black and brown, it's gonna completely darken the entire crayon and it's gonna overflow for sure. So we'll just do 1,000 then. So after waiting 24 hours for the wax to actually harden, we have our one monster crayon. It would be so cool if it was like red, blue, green, like all kind of mixed. I did spray mold release, but I don't know. It's not looking like it did anything. Oh, are you kidding? Oh my God, that is in there. There's no way we're getting this out. We're gonna have to break the box. Oh, hell yeah. A layer of like this white. There it is. 1,000 crayons to make this monstrous crayon. There's been some sort of material that rose to the top. It's white. There's a bit of marbling going on right here. You can see it's red and kind of goes to blue and green. Just so it looks more like a crayon, I'm gonna shave one end down to a point. You know what? We're gonna try it like this. We'll have 4 different effects on each end because they're all different, but let's just try it like this. This is a monster. Lay down some paper. Let's do some tests. The second thing Jack Astor's sent me was this roll of paper. Ever been to a Jack Astor's, you know what this is for. It's kind of like one of their staples. Crayons and paper. And also food, but. A roll of paper. As mentioned earlier in the video, Jack Astor's right now has an Eat Me contest. Basically, if you go to any Jack Astor's between now and September 1st, with your bill, you will get a crayon. Not a monster crayon. You'll get a crayon. And what you do is you unwrap the wrapper. And you'll either get an instant prize, which would be like free appetizer, free dessert, free kids meal, or you could win a grand prize, which is Jack Astor's for a year, a retro car, $5,000 in cash, or a trip to St. Louis. Tons of great prizes. It's still on right now if you're watching it. Up until September 1st, the Eat Me contest is on. When you go to Jack Astor's, usually they're like this.
Hi, my name is Dan.
And I will be your server today. If you need any help, feel free to call out Dan at any time. They always spell their name upside down. It's the coolest talent. It's looking like we're getting mixed colors here. Yeah, it is kind of rainbow. Brown, like black. And then there's like yellow. Like, where's this yellow coming from? Nothing. Okay, that's purple. The red isn't actually red. It looks red. Dark brown, like super dark brown. Side. You can see that we didn't get all the paper. I didn't see it get poured in, but it looks like we have a purple one here, green, green, another green. Okay, so you guys have it. That is what happens when you melt 1,000 crayons into one monster crayon. I'm either getting red or I'm getting like this dark brown. So the blues aren't coming through. What looks to be green isn't really green. And then it's got this white layer, which I was not expecting. Big shout out to my friends over at Jack Astor's. Again, guys, the Eat Me contest is on right now until September 1st. Anytime you go there, you will get a crayon that you unwrap with your bill that is either an instant prize or a grand prize. Go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.